Hi guys, welcome to my channel DTS Girl Official, and I'm your host Sunita Gupta. And you know what, today I'm just going through with a drugstore brand which is really familiar. The Indians are very familiar with that product. Its name is Patanjali. Patanjali products are so obviously very nice uh, when you apply the product you find a very good results from Patanjali. I use its aloe vera gel, I use its face wash. They are very genuine products, and I really like the smell and like fragrance, and its quality, its quantity plus its work is really well. I like the most and I love actually. So yeah, today I'm just going through with the Patanjali herbal kajal, and actually written on this, at that side written on this, no smudge, no smear, and indulge, relax and soothe your eyes, a product of Patanjali Ayurveda. It's complete a herbal product, so you are not so much in that kind of situation you think about it twice about this product, because it's a really good product according to me. It's really go with your eyes so well. It's really soothe your eyes and make your eyes so beautiful. Right now I apply this on my eyes, in my near lower waterline area, and it looks so beautiful. I love it. But the today I'm just going through with its pros and cons, plus I'm going through with its texture, its consistency, the and all the things about it. So yeah, this is the packaging actually looks like. It's open like this, and the product is held by this plastic packaging outside, and this is the portion where this is actually put. So this is the whole portion, and yeah, this is the all information card what actually it holds and how it actually made, and it really work out or not, or everything is written on its forward and its back. So yeah, in front it actually looks actually written Patanjali herbal kajal, no smudge, no smear, indulge, relax and soothe your eye, a product of Patanjali Ayurveda. And in your at your back of the packaging actually written Patanjali herbal kajal, and the ingredients actually used to make this product all are written in this, like castor oil, almond oil, amla, harad, baheda, yasti, madhu, rasout and all, all the ingredients I mentioned here or there, you can find it very easily. So I put all the ingredients list on my wall, so you can choose very easily. It comes under ₹90, and it's whole 3 gram, which is a very good quantity or about kajal. This is the whole packaging of the kajal. I don't like the packaging. Basically it's not a very good packaging. It's come out very easily, so it is not so travel friendly, and it comes out very easily, so you are not think about to carry it with yourself. So I'm not really recommended to get it with yourself anywhere. A cap is really an important part to hold a kajal to be secure. So it's not a very good packaging. It's a plastic packaging outside which is transparent, but I don't think so it's really work out, because the kajal, the black part and the transparent part, whenever you are put both into it, this will the kajal is attached to this part so badly, and your kajal so much wasted. So I don't think so it's a very good thing about a product. If you are not giving a very good packaging, it's not hold a very good power to buy, or because we girls always chase a good product which actually look like very cute and beautiful. So it's really indeed to make a product very cute and nice. Yeah. Second one thing about this, it's really soothes well. It makes my eye very relaxing. When I apply this, it's really work well on my eye. I really like the product as its texture and its consistency, but actually they claimed it's smudge proof and no smear, but it actually not smudge proof. It really make a very bad line in nearby your waterline area and make your like a panda, which is really not a very good thing about a kajal. And I think I've never been recommended that kind of kajal to someone which is really not good in that kind of which actually holds that kind of quality, so I'm not recommended to anyone. And yeah, this is smear no smear. That means it not smudge so easily. No, it's nothing like that. It smudge out so quickly and it smeared very quickly, so totally no for this. And yeah, indulge, relax and soothe your eyes. Yes, I tell you guys further, it really soothe your eyes so well. It's a very good in, you know, it provides a very relaxation to your eyes when you apply this. If you are stay at home and you don't have to go outside for any work, you are stay at home, you can apply this will provide a very good eye you know, relaxation to your eye. But if you want to go outside, it really not work out so well, so it make your eyes so bad, which is not a very good thing about a kajal. And yeah, this is the total review about this product. This is a tiny mini product, tiny mini, so it's okay. This is a very tiny product and this is the whole review about it, about this kajal. And I hope you get the pros and cons about the kajal. The pros is it really relax your eyes, make your eyes so good. It, you know, make a make your waterline so beautiful. It looks very good, but its cons are more compared to its pros. Its cons are like it smudge out very badly, I think, and you are not go outside when you are applying this on your waterline. Second one thing is smear so easily and it makes your like make your eye like a panda, which is not a very good thing, I think. And this is the whole review about it. I don't think I really recommend it to anyone to buy this. This is a total wastage of money. It comes under rupees 90, but 90 is a very huge amount for you know, on by on. So I think it's not a very good thing. Don't chase it. It's a better option than a Lakme Iconic Kajal. It's a better option than that one, but yes, this is not a very big no from my side. Don't chase it. Yeah, I hope you like the review. If you like the review, share it, like my video, and subscribe my channel. If you don't like it, let it be. It's okay, it's completely fine. And that's it. I'm come with another video soon. Bye, take care, love you.